teams, which divided into 2 brackets. We are down to the last 8 squad, approaching our crossover knockout quarterfinals round 2. As we bring you the continuing coverage of your 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament. Coming to you live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga, the home of Sinag Liga Asia, born 2001 inaugural season champions, the Pampanga Delta, as CJ Delfino, the Tasmanian Devil, a former Pampanga Delta player, former champions for Pampanga Delta, will try to give his team level up LUBAO at makakatapat niya dito. Etong si JR Bugarin of GUA GUA Tulong Tulong Tayo. Of course, the 2 best point guards for Pampanga Delta. But the question is, who will remain the toughest? Our games for today, game number 1, Level Up LUBAO kontra GUA GUA Tulong Tulong Tayo. Game number 2, Angeles City Red Warriors kontra Minalin All-Stars. For game number 3, I Love San Simon kontra Abe King Panyulong Florida Blanca. In our main game, the home team, Fernandino Kakayabeka kontra Apalit I Love It. Isang magandang umaga po sa inyo mga kabalin at sa lahat po ng nanonood dito sa loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Penelope Wilhelmina alongside with the Chief, Enzo Galarosa.
Magandang umaga sa iyo, Pen, and happy Friday din sa lahat ng mga kabalin na nakatutok ngayon. From 21 teams, we've cut it down to the Sweet 16 ngayon. We're now at the Elite 8, and after today, we will determine who is in the final 4 teams of this 2024 Delta Cup.
And of course, dahil nga we're at our quarterfinals round to a do-or-die game, of course, papakilala muna natin ang pangatlong miyembro ng ating panel. None other than our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo. MJ, magandang umaga sa iyo.
Magandang umaga din sa inyo, Pen and Enzo. And ngayon nga, natutunghayan natin ang bakbakan ng 4 na maglalaro for today's game. And bukas nga, sino kaya ang makakapasok for the semis? At bago yan, tunghayan muna natin ang mga laban ngayon. For more updates, abang lang po kayo for ngayon.
Thank you so much, MJ. Of course, we will hear from her later on sa mga updates niya sa parehong koponan na maglalaban. But before anything else, matututukan niyo po itong Delta Cup 2024 sa ating Facebook at Pampanga PIO, at meron din po ito sa YouTube channel at Pampanga _PIO, and of course to the broadcast partner of Delta Cup 2024, the YouTube channel of Sinag Liga TV. But before anything else, and of course the most important part is, asaan na ba itong dalawang koponan natin? Let's take a look to our tournament format.
Yes, and as we said nga kanina, 21 teams tayo nagsimula na hati sa dalawang brackets. And then we determined top 8 po doon sa dalawang bracket. Pinaglaban-laban. Rank 1 versus 8, 2 versus 7, 3 versus 6, and 4 versus 5 nung quarterfinals 1. Andirito po tayo ngayon sa quarterfinals 2 kung saan parehong bracket nag-crossover na, and it will be 1 versus 4, 2 versus 3. Kaya nga po may 4 na laro tayo ngayon dito sa ating Elite 8 to determine who will enter the semifinals round, kung saan maglalaban-laban silang lahat. Kasi single round robin matchup po yan, and we will rank them from 1 to 4 with the top 2 teams going for the championship. Best of 3 po sila. The 3rd and 4th seed teams magkakaroon ng knockout game to determine the 3rd and 4th place of the 2024 Delta Cup.
And of course, dahil dyan, tignan natin muna, of course, Mayor Tonton Torres of GUA GUA Pampanga present here at inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, of course, to support GUA GUA Tulong Tulong Tayo. And of course, before anything else, Enzo, let's take a look. What will be the game story for the battle between GUA GUA Tulong Tulong Tayo and Level Up LUBAO? Of course, make or break.
Yes, make or break, kasi nga knockout format tayo ngayon. Manalo kayo, you will advance to the semifinals round. Matalo kayo, there is no tomorrow. So this is going to be a make or break. Wala na, tapon mo na lahat ng standings, tapon mo na lahat ng wins or losses ng elimination round, even the quarterfinals 1, even the numbers. What matters is you live to fight another game sa semifinals round. Kaya nga, ready na itong dalawang koponan natin, Pen.
Yes, of course. And so coming up is the battle between Level Up LUBAO kontra GUA GUA Tulong Tulong Tayo. And to introduce our starting lineup, I'm now turning you over to our arena announcer, Jello Del Rosario.
Good morning, mga kabalin! This is the 2024 Delta Cup Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament. We are live here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga. This is brought to you by our Governor, Dennis Delta Pineda. You can catch the game live on Pampanga PIO FB page and YouTube channel. You can also catch the game live on our broadcast partner, at Sinagliga TV YouTube channel. This is the first game of our quadruple header quarterfinals between Level Up LUBAO against GUA GUA Tulong Tulong Tayo. Now let's meet the starters for Level Up LUBAO.
Of course, before anything else, and so we already arrived to our quarterfinals round 2, the knockout games. Of course, may 4 na team na uuwi at magbibid ng kanilang last game for our Delta Cup 2024.
Yes, and kaya nga nakikita natin our tournament commissioner and the COO of Sinagliga Asia, Coach Leo Isaac, in the beautiful baseball jersey of the University of Nevada, Las Vegas dyan, no? Ganda-ganda ng jersey ni Coach Leo. Yeah, just explaining to the coaches, talking to the coaches. Siyempre kasi, ito na yun knockout game. Parang yung Sunday game natin last week, di ba, na dalawang teams naka-qualify for this quarterfinals round 2, which we will see later on. Ina-explain ni Coach Leo what is expected, paano ba magre-react yung mga players, and siyempre yung mga coaches din. You know, just to get a good feel of the tournament. Kasi nga, ito na yung quarterfinals round 2. Winner go home na basically lahat ng laro mo dito. Matalo ka, you go home. Manalo ka, you advance to the final 4. So our tournament commissioner, Coach Leo, showing na pinapakita niya at kinakausap niya yung mga coaches, explaining to them na hold their emotions as we see the matchup that everyone is expecting. The pride of LUBAO, Pampanga, itong si CJ Delfino, and the pride of GUA GUA, itong si Enrico Bugarin, 2 Sinagliga Asia teammate champions from Pampanga Delta who are actually rivals pagdating sa mga inter-barangay and inter-town dito sa Pampanga. So, rivalry renewed dito sa Delta Cup bago sila maging magkakampi ulit sa Sinagliga Asia.
And then speaking of Sinagliga Asia, of course, we will invite everyone watching here at our Delta Cup for our opening for our Sinagliga Asia, born 2001 and born 2004, of course, March 17 at SM South Mall, Las Piñas.
At guard number 17, CJ Delfino. Another guard number 22, Mark Manalang. At center number 29, Allen Danan. Forward number 8, Franz de la Cruz. Another forward number 2, Meming Pan. And now, let's call out the protagonist team of GUA GUA Tulong Tulong Tayo. At guard number 6, JR Bugarin. Another guard number 7, Paolo Apostol. Center number 2, Drew Jimenez. Forward number 11, Casey Gopez. And forward number 23, Gabriel Manyalak. Our officials for today are Crew Chief Anthony Roque, First Umpire Michael Galutera, Second Umpire Jong Banaya.
Of course, the starters for Level Up LUBAO, CJ Delfino, Mark Manalang, Allen Danan, Franz de la Cruz, Manuel Pangan. At para sa panig ng GUA GUA, Enrico Bugarin, Paolo Apostol, Drew Jimenez, Casey Gopez, and Gabriel Manialak. Penelope Wilhelmina alongside with Enzo Galarosa and MJ Raimundo manning the sidelines for the first game of our quarterfinals round 2. The rivalry renewed, as Enzo mentioned earlier, for CJ Delfino and JR Bugarin. First possession goes to the side of GUA GUA.
Oh, good steal.
A steal for the side of Level Up Lubao, care of Mark Manalang. And an easy layup for Mark Manalang.
Binawi niya. Naunahan siya ni Bugarin to the ball. He got the steal. Going all the way to the basket. Itong si Mark Manalang.
Here, Casey Gopez.
Drew Jimenez pala, no? Nagbalik sa lineup ng GUA GUA.
Full lineup for the side of GUA GUA. And not to mention, wala pa si Tristan Valiao.
Yes, wala sa starting lineup, di ba? Oh, this is the matchup we've been waiting for.
This is what we are talking about. The question is, who will remain the toughest point guard among the two?
Two of the best point guards in the entire Delta Cup.
As that shot is no good for Level Up Lubao. Mark Manalang against Drew Jimenez.
And that's the talent of a Drew Jimenez for you. Another champion who represented Pampanga din. Played for Pampanga Pradera Theme Park. Itong si Drew Jimenez. Finally back sa lineup. An elite big man itong si Drew Jimenez. And you know, yung pick and roll nila ni Bugarin throughout the elimination round has been deadly. Ngayon, renewed na yan dito sa quarterfinals too. Yun nga lang.
Almost a nice pass for J.R. Bugarin. But from what I heard, Enzo, J.R. Bugarin suffered a injury.
Sa isang mga practices daw nila. But kaya daw, ipipilit daw ni Bugs. Kaya nga, if you can see, meron siyang compression shorts underneath his jersey shorts, di ba? Kasi nga may injury siyang iniinda ngayon. But, you know, palaban yan si Bugs eh. Talagang, he will always play. Kita mo, nakalaya pa siya dito.
Speaking of palaban, that rebound from Jimenez rather. And that pass to J.R. Bugarin.
Look at them trap Delfino on the sidelines. They're icing CJ Delfino right now.
They really need nabantayan itong si CJ Delfino. And of course, alam natin, pag nag-init ang parehong point guard na yan, CJ Delfino and Bugs Bugarin, of course, mag-iinit din ang laban natin dito sa ating Delta Cup panigurado.
Yes.
8 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. We're tied at 2. CJ Delfino against J.R. Bugarin, asking for help. No! What will he do? There was a foul.
I'm seeing something dito sa defense ng GUA GUA. Tulong-tulong tayo early on. Siguro, I'll try to explain it in layman's terms para maintindihan mo, Pen. But they call it an ice. You ice the ball handler, meaning dadalin mo siya sa sideline. Yun yung ginawa nila the possession before. Dito naman, di nila madala sa sideline si Delfino. Ang ginawa nila, they weaken Delfino. What do I mean by weaken? Dadalin nila siya sa offhand niya, which is CJ Delfino's left hand. They're trying to ice him and weaken CJ Delfino. Those are the two terms GUA GUA tulong tayo is doing kay Delfino ngayon early on.
As that three-point shot is too strong for Franz de la Cruz. Of course, Enzo, let's talk about, hindi lang naman si CJ Delfino ang kailangan bantayan ng GUA GUA. Of course, you have your Franz de la Cruz.
Totoo. And also, para dito sa GUA GUA tulong-tulong tayo, you did mention itong si Tristan Valiao, di ba, coming off the bench. And actually, itong si Apostol, a guy who can erupt for 20 points any night. So, kita naman natin eh, Elite 8 talaga itong mga nandirito sa ating quarterfinals too, kasi you can see that these two teams, kitang-kita natin na solid yung lineup. And actually, I forgot to mention this, Drew Jimenez and Alan Danan are actually teammates dun sa Pampanga Pradera Theme Park. I forgot, di ba? So, sila din, di ba? Former teammates ngayon magkalaban.
It's clearly a battle of their pride.
Oo.
Who among the toughest guards, the toughest point guards,
Yes.
will remain unbeatable? Who will advance to the semifinals as a three-point shot? No three-point shot, field goal for Level Up Lubao.
Hirap na hirap itong Level Up Lubao. Oh, that has to
Nice
feel good.
contest from CJ Delfino.
Sayang. And everyone was jumping paglipad nito ni Delfino.
Look at his guard that time. He was guarded by Drew Jimenez. And walang takot si CJ Delfino eh.
Oh, ganyan talaga siya. I mean, he has experience talaga under his belt playing. As we can see, Coach Reniel Cabrera, the head coach of GUA GUA tulong-tulong tayo on your screens. They're acknowledging na offensive foul nga. Nearly 4 minutes na tayong nakakalipas dito. Pero 2-all pa rin ang score natin.
Oo. 6 minutes and 36 seconds. Sideline inbound for Level Up Lubao.
Look at the defense right here by Pugarin on Delfino. Full court talaga.
They really need to do it. Knowing their full capacity.
Kenji is on the floor.
That is short. There's a putback.
Pagpasok pa lang, John Zita. The guy who scored a lot of points coming off the bench for Level Up Lubao in the quarterfinals won. Agad-agad nagproduce ng puntos na naman for Coach James De La Peña.
That is one great thing about Level Up Lubao. Malalim ang bench nito ni Coach Allen De La Peña. Pero mas malalim yung layup na yon from JR Bugarin.
Using CJ's own move against him. Great move right there by Pugarin.
The taste of CJ's own medicine was given by his best friend in the Pampanga Delta, JR Bugarin.
Yes. There you go. Danan on the right place at the right time.
But may bawi itong si Allen Danan. 5 minutes and 29 seconds. 6-4 in favor of Level Up Lubao. Surprisingly, our score, medyo mahina ang paggalaw ng ating score this time as 3-point shot missed for JR Bugarin.
Intense na intense talaga yung laban. You can feel it in the air and even yung crowd. Anything that happens, di ba? Nagre-react sila. But look at this. Danan at the right place at the right time. Drew Jimenez late on the recovery. Easy layup for Danan.
It was also a missed shot for Level Up Lubao, but luckily Allen Danan was underneath.
Open look.
Oh, good for Gopez.
And France has a running start.
Grabe yung depensa ng GUA GUA. Hindi makaporma itong si Franz de la Cruz.
Good pass.
Oh! There you have it. If Books can score, he would just give the assist that is needed for his team.
That's the elite floor vision dito galing kay Enrico Pugarin. But right here, masyadong dikit. Silang dalawa ni Delfino. Kalaban muna ngayon. Next week, magkakampi na naman yan dalawang yan. Of course. Nagkukulitan din yung dalawa, di ba?
Of course. Yan ang mag-best friend na magkapalitan for Pampanga Delta.
A 5-second violation whistled here on Lubao. Kenji screaming at his teammates, bakit walang kumuha ng bola?
But now let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, para sa kanyang first quarter report. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Pen. No negotiable on effort. That's what Coach Reynel Cabrera of Team GUA GUA said to his team. Effort. Effort yung magdadala sa atin for the semis. Kaya i-boost yun na lahat. We need to pressure the opponent and iparamdam natin sa kanila yung comfortability. While on the other team, according to head coach James Allen De La Peña of Lubao, being resilient inside the court will lead us today. Hindi na tayo dapat basta-basta lang. Iisa tayong lalaban e wag natin to sayangin. Who will reign for today? Let's wait and see after the 4 quarters. Back to you, Enzo and Pen.
Thank you so much, MJ. Effort. That is for head coach Reynel Cabrera of GUA GUA Tulong Tulong tayo, and resiliency for Coach Allen De La Peña, Enzo.
Totoo. And actually, yung sinabi na sa report ni MJ kanina reflected on what happened nung quarterfinals 1. Effort. Talagang effort. 4 quarters. All 4 quarters denominate ng GUA GUA Tulong Tulong tayo ang Santa Rita. Or Santa Ana, should I say, last game. Dito naman para sa Lubao against Santa Rita, resiliency. Kasi muntikan na mahabol sila sa dulo eh. Muntik pa silang matalo nun. But their resiliency showed up. As we can see, the beloved Governor Dennis Delta Pineda on your screens of Pampanga and Blackwater Bossings, Archie Concepcion. Who, by the way, 3-0 ang record ng Blackwater Bossings sa Philippine Cup ngayon. Congrats, Archie.
Of course, nasa unahan din nila. The champions, the pride of Pampanga. Justin Baltasar, Enzo Serrano.
And Raymond Binuya, the pride of San Fernando. As ito naman mga taga-GUA GUA. And mga taga-Lubao, di ba?
It's pretty early in the morning, but we're jam-packed here inside the BREN Convention Center.
Totoo, di ba? Alam mo, hindi Friday morning, di ba? Normally, pag ganito, tatamad-tamad kang kikilos, di ba? Excited for the weekend.
Last day of the weekday.
Yes.
Going back, 8-7 and now in favor of GUA GUA. It's 3 minutes and 45 seconds left for our first quarter.
And actually, ito for sure, CJ Delfino and Enrico Bugarin has this game in their minds, especially for CJ as he's down on the floor right now. A little bit shaken up. Itong si Tasmanian Devil as makikita natin ang 44 Count it. Ilan?
47.
47. Nagkulang pa pala ako ng tatlo. Diba? 47 barangay captains, diba? From LUBAO, Pampanga. Pakadami, diba? Ang dami, 47.
They're pretty early here
Oo.
to support, of course, Level Up LUBAO.
Siyempre kanina, for GUA GUA tulong-tulong tayo. Andyan yung beloved mayor of GUA GUA, Pampanga. Diba? Mayor Tonton Torres andirito ngayon.
Of course, Vice Mayor Jun Lim of
Oh,
GUA GUA
yes.
is also present here inside the BREN GUIAO.
And let's not forget, every game pinapakita sa munisipyo ng GUA GUA, yung City Hall nila doon, pinapakita yung games ng GUA GUA tulong-tulong tayo. Dati nga daw screen eh. Pero dahil nga daw sa dami na nanonood, nilagyan na lang daw nila sa pader para makanood lahat, di ba?
Lahat ng dumadaan.
Oh, di na lahat ng dumadaan. Ganun karami yung mga taong nanonood. So from a screen, nilagyan na nila sa pader yung projector. Doon na nila pinroject yung laro, di ba? So shoutout po sa inyo sa mga nanonood ngayon sa GUA GUA. And syempre sa mga nanonood sa Pampanga PIO Facebook page, di ba? And si Nagliga TV. I forgot.
3 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. 11 on the shot clock.
Valiao's now on the
Here,
floor.
Tristan Valiao checks in for GUA GUA.
Malalim.
That is short. Mark Manalang. 3-man up top. Balik niya dito kay Kenzie Gonzalez. Still short. 5 missed 3-point shots for Level Up LUBAO. Imagine if 3 out of that 5 shots goes in.
Oo. And
What a ball game it could have been.
They knocked down 10 nung quarterfinals 1, di ba? They knocked down 10 3-point shots. That's already 30 points. Dito, wala pa rin silang
Franz
conversion.
de la Cruz misses
Good
that
pass.
easy basket. Almost a sorry miss. But there was Drew Jimenez rather.
Easy basket for the big man. Ito si Drew Jimenez.
10-8. You know, the biggest lead we have for both teams is just 2 points.
2 points. Piso nga kanina nang nangyari, di ba? A good block by Drew.
Against 3. Franz de la Cruz was against 3 that time. It's Tristan Valiao. Knocks the first basket.
Deja vu. Ganyan yung mga layup ni Tristan Valiao against Santa Ana ng quarterfinals 1 and picking up where he left off in this ball game.
Mark Manalang. 3-point shot.
Oh!
And it's good for Mark Manalang. 1 out of 6 3-point shot attempts goes in for Level Up LUBAO.
He even got hit falling down. Great shot right there from Mark Manalang. 5 points na siya, di ba? If I'm not mistaken.
1 minute and 59 seconds. Sasagot ang GUA GUA from the 3-point line. Possession goes back to Level Up LUBAO. Gonzalez on the basketball.
Referee's allowing a lot of contact in this ball game.
Mark Manalang once again.
And that's a technical foul on Manalang. He already got warned on the earlier 3-point make niya for faking a foul, and he did it just 15 seconds later, diba? And you know, it was right in front of the referees, right in front of Coach James De La Peña. Wala silang reklamo. They know na it's going to be called a faking a foul. Take a look at this. Ang layo ni Valiao, eh. No contact ang nangyari. See, no contact. And then he just falls down to the ground trying to draw a foul. He was trying to draw a foul, pero dahil nga ang layo ni Valiao, di ba? Referees called it a tech after may warning na siya, di ba?
1 minute and 40 seconds remaining. Tristan Valiao on the 15-footer line. But that is short for Tristan Valiao, knowing him. As you can see here, Mark Manalang, the player for Level Up LUBAO. Pinalitan muna siya dito ni Coach Allen De La Peña.
Delfino comes back in. Kita mo, the chess match between Coach Reniel and Coach James. Inupo si Delfino kanina, inupo din si Bugarin. Binalik si Delfino, balik si Bugarin. Chess match between these two coaches.
Of course, kapag magpapahinga yung isa, magpapahinga din yung isa.
rin, di ba?
Balik ang bola for GUA GUA. After this missed bonus free throw for Tristan Valiao. Brian Besoro. Humugot na itong si Coach Reniel Cabrera, yung mga players niya for Besoro checks in.
Well, you have to against a team like LUBAO who can, you know, score in bunches. But look at that defense right here by Paule. Good pass to Bugarin.
Grabe. Grabe. Si JR Bugarin.
Parang walang tama yung tuhod, di ba? Parang hindi masakit ang tuhod. Ganun maglaro. All out. 100% effort itong si Bugarin. Giving his all the time for GUA GUA tulong-tulong tayo.
No, it's quite a good story, you know. Both of JR Bugarin, CJ Delfino, once again, teammates of champions for Pampanga Delta on our born 2001. But only one, isa lang sa kanila, ang mag-a-advance sa ating semifinals.
Yung isa.
One will bid their goodbye today.
Yes, and shift their focus to the Sinagliga Asia 23 under tournament, diba? But, syempre, oo, excited na yung mga bata. Nakakausap ko kasi sila. I talked to some of the players. They are excited to play na doon sa Sinagliga Asia 23 under and 19 under tournament. But, sabi nila, iba pa rin kasi yung parangal na dadalin mo yung sa city or municipality mo mismo. Kasi doon, dala mo yung buong probinsya mo. It's the province of Pampanga, karga nila. Dito, city nila mismo ang karga nila eh. It's their hometown ang karga nila. So iba pa rin daw yung level of competition din dito sa Delta Cup. Kasi nga, yun mo, teammates silang dalawa next week. Pero ngayon, magkalaban sila. Magpapalitan pa nga ng mukha eh.
Actually, napapanood ko ngayong mga highlights nila on Facebook.
Oo.
As a traveling violation.
Yes.
40 seconds remaining for our first quarter. 14-13. Sobrang dikit na first quarter. As going back on what I mentioned earlier, yung highlights itong dalawang to eh. Pag nagkakalaban sila sa mga interbarangay.
Totoo.
Talagang sila din yung ganyan, bantayan.
That's how they know each other well. Actually, magkaibigan yan. And look at the defense right here. But open look.
You know, playing right now in front of their head coach, Governor Dennis Delta Pineda.
Yes.
Of course, they're proving something to Gov Delta.
Oh, good tap.
By Nirik.
Oh. Out of nowhere, Nirik just flying to tap that one with the right hand.
And look at this height advantage among the players of
Diba?
level of LUBAO. It's a good matchup against Alan Danan, of course. In
And
any
also
case.
Vincent Sinke. But ito, John Zita, all reliable coming off the bench si Coach James. But they take a look at that miss right there. But on the follow, Nirik out of nowhere, just flying.
Bigla na lang lumitaw dun sa kaliwa.
At ito nga, John Zita, a reliable player para dito kay Coach James Allen de la Peña. Every time dudukutin niya si John Zita, you get a scorer and a defender. A guy who does not need to score 20 points a ball game. A guy who does not need plays. Dadaan lang niya sa sipag. Yan yung mga players na gustong-gusto ng mga coaches. And John Zita, kita mo yung tiwala sa kanya ni Coach James. Pinasok agad siya kanina. And binabayaran naman yung tiwala na yun.
As two missed free throws for John Zita. 9 seconds remaining.
Good block by Sinke.
Tristan Valiao against Vincent Sinke. 2.1 seconds remaining. Ball still goes to the side of GUA GUA.
Look at that.
6 players on the floor for GUA GUA.
Pero bago pa ma-inbound yung bola, kaya yung buong level of LUBAO team eh. Kasi na-technical sila last game because of that. Nung quarterfinals 1, na 6 na players sila on the floor.
Here, Alan Danan checks in for the remaining 2.1 seconds.
That's why. But Drew Jimenez says, walang problema. Egka, sabi ni Drew Jimenez.
Drew Jimenez came back right in time for the side of GUA GUA Tulong Tulong tayo. As we take a look back here on what happened. Drew Jimenez against Alan Danan with a one-hand shot.
Great seal by
In and
Drew.
out, but still goes in for Drew Jimenez. 18-13, a 5-point lead advantage para sa panig ng GUA GUA Tulong Tulong tayo as we enter the second quarter of our ball game with 18-30.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinagliga Asia. Sinagliga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Complete domination this GUA GUA Tulong Tulong tayo kontra Santa Ana United on the quarterfinals round 1. Of course, GUA GUA won with 89-54 of Santa Ana.
And I want to focus on these two numbers. GUA GUA forced 29 turnovers and got 31 points out of those turnovers. And look at the second chance points did, 17-2. The disparity was so huge. GUA GUA tulong-tulong tayo. Wire-to-wire victory against Santa Ana United ay thrashing nga kung sabihin nila ng quarterfinals 1. But then again, dito sa quarterfinals 2, this is a different team you're facing. Itong level up LUBAO. You're now facing the Tasmanian Devil. You're now facing Franz de la Cruz, Kenji Gonzalez, Sean Lorico. Diba? You're now facing a different team. So, like I said nga, those stats matter. But, shift your focus now to your opponent ngayon. Kasi, sure ako, pinanood ng coaching staff netong level up LUBAO yung laro na yun ng GUA GUA tulong-tulong tayo and had couple of pointers din sila on how to defeat this GUA GUA tulong-tulong tayo.
And so you mentioned earlier, Sean Lorico got suspended for level up LUBAO this time as he was thrown out on their game against
suspended Sean Lorico. But
Juan Magalang basketball.
speaking of, watching right now is our Sinag Liga Asia President, Mr. Ray Alaw, Sinag Liga Asia Commissioner, Coach Rodney Santos, and our SLA ambassadors, Philippine Basketball Association legends EJ File, John Ferriols, and the captain, Alvin Patrimonio. Magkakasama sila ngayon together with our SLA International Affairs Head, Sir Eric Quintana, as well as our SLA Director for New York and New Jersey, Mr. Edmond Quintana. Happy watching po. And di ba nasa US sila nanonood
That's why
ngayon?
yun yung promote natin last weekend. So the PBA legends will come to the United States of America. Of course, nandun na sila ngayon to play for Sinag Liga Asia.
And yun nga, sa basket, galing dito kay Manalansan. But yun nga, di ba? Happy watching po and safe travels po, Boss Ray, Com Rodney, Boss Sir Coach EJ, Coach John, and of course to the legend himself, Coach, the captain, Alvin Patrimonio. Dito sa games nila, they have 4 cities there to cover, di ba?
Only for 10 days.
Oo, 10 days. Maryland, Houston, if I'm not mistaken, New York, and nakalimutan ko isa. New Jersey ba? I think, I forgot. Basta 4 na cities yun.
4 cities.
Na hindi
magkakatabi lang.
Medyo malalayo-layo. Pero technically
Pero kasi sa
hindi.
US, malalayo yung travel
Oo,
eh.
malalayo yung travel
So
time.
take a look back here.
Look at that spin move right here. Parang matutumba pa si Manalansan dun eh.
Checks in for level up LUBAO for the second quarter. Sama pa. Itong si JP Maliari. For GUA GUA. And look at now, kung sino ang bantay ni CJ Delfino.
Valyao, di ba?
It's Tristan Valyao.
Dalawang makukulit ang bumabantay kay Delfino.
Drew Jimenez.
Look at that.
Timely comeback for Drew Jimenez for the side of GUA GUA. 8 minutes and 39 seconds. 18-15. He entered this with 18-13, a 5-point lead. But that 3-point shot is still missed for level up LUBAO. Tristan Valyao to JR Bugarin. Bugarin back to Valyao. Valyao from the 3-point from way downtown. And there you have it. It finds the bottom of the net. Make that 3-point shot.
Umaga pa kasi kaya bukas ang bangko. What a bank shot right there from Tristan Valyao.
Grabe. Let's take a look back here. Pass. JR Bugarin to Tristan Valyao. No hesitation whatsoever.
Bank is open.
For Tristan Valyao.
Look at him. Pagka-shoot ng pagka-shoot, agad-agad. Face guard, Delfino. They know the assignment. They know who they're going to stop. And look at them. Pressure CJ.
CJ Delfino.
Wow.
Samagot
Wow.
kay Tristan Valyao.
And look at that. He stared at Enrico Bugarin that time. Para sinabi niya. And look at him talking to Valyao right now. Ito yung mga gustong laro ni Delfino. These are the games that he shows his best.
This is how CJ Delfino plays.
Dito talaga lumalabas yung tunay na Tasmanian Devil eh. But look at Boog's favorite shot!
One-hot shot floater for JR Bugarin. He makes it work.
Paborito yan ni Boogs. Good drive by Matthew Manalansan. Sayang lang, short.
3-man up top for GUA GUA. Only 2 for level up LUBAO. A rebound by Adrian Nirek. But there was a steal. At ito, libre.
Great defense. Great defense right there. Sacrificing his body. Benedict Calma. Talagang lumipad for that. It's not a block, but still for that stop. Dahil hindi na i-layup ni Manalansan, he got called for the traveling violation tuloy.
7 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. 23-18. As Casey Gopez checks back in for GUA GUA. Balik kay Adrian Nirek ang bola. Adrian for 3. Not his usual shot. It's too long. Rebound by Gopez.
Got hit in the head. Clearly got hit in the head from behind by Sinke.
6 minutes and 55 seconds as Casey Gopez will be rewarded by 2 free throws.
Look at that. Babalik agad nila ito si Allen
Substitution.
Danan.
Allen Danan will check in. Of course, Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda alongside with Coach Pedic Di Matulak, the champion coaches, not only for several professional leagues.
At syempre yung college teammates na Pampanga Giant Lantern teammates, diba? The champions, Encho and Balti. Tula Salians, magkatabi din dun.
If I'm not mistaken, former Letran Knight, or still a Letran Knight, and a player for Pampanga Giant Lanterns now.
I can also see Boss A.G. Gonzalez is also in attendance. Kahilera ni Mayor Tonton Torres, si Boss A.G. And also Mayor Esme Pineda, andito rin.
6 minutes and 51 seconds remaining.
Oh, good pass by France.
Sorry, miss for John Zita.
Oo. Medyo. Oh,
Libreng-libre, si Drew Jimenez.
great leak out by Drew. Dapat si Allen Danan bumaba na dun. He had no business just staring down at midcourt.
26-18, the biggest lead of the ball game. 8 points.
France has yet to score a bucket here.
Trying to ask for help.
Good pass.
What a play.
Good
coming
pass.
from John Zita.
And kanina namintis niya yung good pass na binigay dito ni Franz de la Cruz. Ngayon naman, binalik pa rin ni Franz yung bola kay John Zita. At ngayon, di naman siya pinahiya ni John Zita against 3. Hindi ko rin alam kung sino foul doon kasi tatlo silang humampas dito kay John Zita. Nonetheless, good basket right there by John Zita. And na-rewardan pa siya ng free throw dito.
And one thing for GUA GUA. Of course, nagulat ako din sa draw.
Nagbabalik na yung mga tambol, di ba?
Of course, quarterfinals round 2 na tayo. That's why a lot of supporters for both teams. So, okay, going back on what I am mentioning earlier. Of course, for the side of GUA GUA, you also have to stop this guy, John Zita. Diba? Hindi nga makaporma itong si Franz de la Cruz. So Franz de la Cruz is making a way na makascore itong team niya, level up LUBAO.
There's a foul
There's a
on Allen
whistle.
Danan. Oh, it's on Franz de la Cruz, ang pito. Trying to box out. Trying to box out Malyari as Apostol comes back in the ball game para dito sa GUA GUA Tulong-Tulong Tayo.
J.R. Bugarin with 10 seconds left on the shot clock. Against 4.
Good defense by CJ.
But wow,
Ito lilipad si CJ. What a pass! Sayang lang.
Almost a nice pass to Franz de la Cruz.
Naabaw na
There
naman.
have it, Alan Franz de la Cruz. Here against Drew Jimenez.
Wow! What a rejection by Jimenez!
That's too strong for Alan Danan.
Oh, block naman by Danan. Bawian lang dito.
What a rejection for both teams.
And
What a
CJ,
pass!
nilawa lang
Wow!
ng ring. And even he was staring at the rim there.
This is what we are expected. The battle between Level Up LUBAO and GUA GUA Tulong-Tulong Tayo. 3-point shot!
Big three right there, galing dito kay Apostol. And Paulo extends this lead right back to 8 with that three-pointer.
Take a look back here. J.R. Bugarin fights Paulo Apostol. Libreng-libre from the left wing. As time out on the floor, 4 minutes and 53 seconds remaining. 8-point lead for GUA GUA, 29-21.
split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
Ito, built enough lead to avert the comeback. Level up LUBAO won against Juan Magalang 81-73 with the final score.
They escaped a near meltdown doon sa last 2 minutes of the ball game. But take a look at the three-point field goal percentage, 33%, 10 out of 30. That's already 30 points from the three-point land. Samantala itong Juan Magalang, 1 out of 17. Tapos free throw shooting naman, 17 out of 27. That's a good clip, 63%. And look at the turnover story. Level up LUBAO only committed 13 turnovers compared to Juan Magalang's 21 turnovers. Napakarami nung turnovers na finorce nila on Juan Magalang's side.
Here, Franz de la Cruz against Casey Gopez. Two players for both teams who has been so phenomenal. Speaking of phenomenal, what a phenomenal drive
John Zita na naman.
coming from John Zita.
Take a look at this once again. John Zita, dinire-diretso na sa basket yung layup na yun. And against Drew Jimenez pa. But, Ben, I just want to take this moment sana na batiin. Hindi siya, Zita again draws a foul. But good. No box out on the part of GUA GUA TULONG TULONG tayo. They have to box out itong si Zita. Siya nang kumakarga ngayon for level up LUBAO. But habang sa free throw line itong si John Zita, I just want to greet the legend of Philippine basketball. The one and only living legend. The head coach ni Coach Leo back when he was still playing for Ginebra. Coach Robert Sonny Jaworski. A happy, happy birthday to the legend himself. One of the greatest of all time in Philippine basketball. One of, if not the greatest, should I say.
Sobrang kaya ako nahilig sa basketball. Lagi ko naririnig sa side ng dad ko.
Dad mo. Antayin mo pag nagkwento si Coach Leo.
Sobrang,
Marami yan.
siyempre, if you heard the names of our team going back to their time.
Yes.
Diba? If you now you hear Justin Baltazar, this is their time eh. But when Jaworski's time, the Legends time, of course, para sila yung Balti ng kapanahunan nila.
Well, isipin mo rin kasi, di ba, playing coach, a champion. Kung coach ka na, naglalaro ka pa, napakahirap gawin nun. And he did it for many years playing for Barangay Ginebra. And mahal na mahal yan ng lahat. I mean, regardless of what team you support in Philippine basketball, dating back, you respect and love Coach Sonny Jaworski.
As another turnover for level up LUBAO. As 4 minutes and 8 seconds remaining. As time out on the floor, 31-24.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024. Intermunicipality and City Tournament hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
We are still live inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. The city of San Fernando, Pampanga, the home of Sinag Liga Asia born 2001 champions, Pampanga Delta.
And the soon-to-be host of the Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase on July 18 to 21 ba?
24. 24. But now let's turn it
Tinawasan
over
ko, sorry.
to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, para sa kanyang second quarter update. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Pen. Kanina we talked about effort of two teams and now yung effort pa rin ang nangiging babaw after I talked to Mayor SB Pineda of LUBAO, Pampanga and Mayor Tonton Torres of GUA GUA Pampanga. Magkaiba man daw sila ng sinusuportahan but one thing na na-appreciate nila is yung effort na pinapakita ng mga players. It might be a knockout game but what really matters for Mayor SB and Mayor Tonton is the hard work of the players and the achievement na nakarating sila dito sa quarterfinals. Back to you, Enzo and Pen.
Thank you so much, MJ. You know, Enzo, when I was able to interview Mayor Tonton Torres and Mayor SB Pineda last week, they were so grateful for the effort of these kids. From the preparation, sa lahat ng oras na binubuhos nila para sa kanilang mga cities and municipalities.
Yes, and also, di ba kasi sobrang busy nila, hindi naman talaga nila matutukan itong mga bata. All they could do is just give their support. Di ba, mga kailangan nila, sponsoran na lang. But now, for sure, nagulat sila. They had a great reaction nga na nakita ko. Nasabi nila na they're proud of their teams kasi di naman nila talagang kilala. Di ba, like, na talagang natutukan every one of them. For sure, they know Delfino, they know Franz de la Cruz. But yung iba, hindi nila nakita. But yun nga nagugulat sila sa sipag, sa hard work. And speaking of sipag, look at that steal by GUAO. Pickpocketing Delfino.
Sure. Rebound by Alan Danan.
That's the right thing to do if you're Alan Danan. Hug the ball or pull it up to your head. You're the tallest man on the floor. Be a man amongst boys if you're Alan Danan.
Oh, great D from Adrian Niric. Tristan Vallejo.
Easy 2 points. And look at the face guarding defense right here by Gopez and Vallejo.
And take a look now kung sino na bumabantay kay CJ Delfino.
Vallejo na. Kanina buga rin, di ba?
Mark Manalang to Franz de la Cruz.
Ayaw pa rin for France, but he can go to the free throw line and pwede siya ditong magkaroon ng rhythm if he knocks down both of these free throws.
Take a look back here. That great D from Adrian Niric. Pumasa kay Tristan Vallejo. Libreng-libre. And that reaction from Vallejo.
I said kanina na yung strategy dito ng GUA GUA tulong-tulong tayo was to ice CJ Delfino. I'm looking at it. They're trying to ice everyone off the ball screen, meaning lahat papunta sa sideline. Ayaw nilang dumaan sa gitna yung pick and roll dito ng Level Up LUBAO. And it's working. Ginawa kanina kay Manalang. They iced him right into the trap. Naka-steal tuloy si Niric. As here's a foul on Mark Manalang. Hugging on to Tristan Vallejo.
They're trying to free CJ Delfino. That's why they're really giving all the help that they can give. As Coach Alan de la Peña approaches one of our officials.
May kina-clarify siya.
Trying to clarify something. It's a substitution on the floor for the side of Level Up LUBAO. 2 minutes and 38 seconds remaining for our first half.
As one of our referees also approaching the bench of GUA GUA tulong-tulong tayo. That's why may lull tayo at Eman Pangan waiting at the scores table. As Niric, may kina-clarify lang si Coach James siguro sa jersey niya. There you go. May kinlaro lang naman.
As we can see here, right in front of us, our chairman for Sinag Liga Asia, Boss Rocky Chan, present here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center.
Sir Rocky Chan has entered the building na. So for sure meron siyang never mind. Meron siya sinama. The manager. Hindi ko alam. But
Wala ata, bukas pa.
bukas pa ba?
Bukas pa si manager.
May isang araw pa pala tayong masaya tayo.
Real. Kidding aside, going back here, I think they didn't see Adrian Niric play for a lot of games in this elimination for GUA GUA. That's why they're clarifying.
Yung jersey niya yung
that the
nirereklamo
jersey
nila.
That's why they're approaching here our table officials. They're asking.
And then that's if ito yung Coach James trying to clarify something. Take as much of an advantage as you can. Two things. Pwedeng pagbawalan maglaro si Niric because of the jersey. Uniform rule yon. At pangalawa, pinapatay mo yung momentum dito ng GUA GUA with this lull. But then again, flip side to it, pwede ring manlamig mga team mo. So you're gambling, if you're Coach James de la Peña, you're gambling on something ngayon. And we can see our referees together with the tournament commissioner and the CEO of Sinag Liga Asia, Coach Leo Isaac, and the chairman of Sinag Liga Asia, Sir Rocky Chan, discussing something right now. Kanina yung si Niric yung pino-point out nila and it was his jersey. Referee says okay lang daw yung jersey na yon. And Coach James de la Peña, nanigurado lang, pwede ba? O bawal, di ba? Take as much as of an advantage as you can. And pwedeng ang baliktarin nito on the part of LUBAO. Pwedeng mamatay itong momentum ng GUA GUA at pumunta sa LUBAO. Sila naman ngayon magkaroon ng big run. Let's see if the gamble worked. If you're Coach James De La Peña.
2 minutes and 36 seconds remaining. Tristan Valle on the basketball.
Ginawang codes yung mga defender niya. Dinaan lang ng ganun-ganun lang.
Oh, nice pass.
Wow! Sayang!
Sayang yun. For Benedict Calma. Benedict Calma and Franz de la Cruz. Malamig yung simula ng parehong kupanan na to dito. So there was a steal. Tristan Valle to Gopez.
Ma-outbalance mo si Casey Gopez.
25 to 35. 10-point lead. The
And
biggest
Valle
lead
with a
of the
steal.
ballgame. There was a steal again for the side of GUA GUA. 2
Grabe.
turnovers.
Grabe. And sa ingay ng crowd dito, hindi na narinig yung timeout buzzer. What a run galing dito sa GUA GUA. Tulong-tulong tayo. Back-to-back steals. Ito yung easy layup kanina ni Casey Gopez.
Parang inangat lang eh. And here, what a drive. Wala kay Paulo Apostol. As time out on the floor, 25 to 37.
Yeah.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
As ito, Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda together with Coach Pedic Di Matulak and the champions Justin Baltazar and Enzo Serrano. The
Ang ganda.
Pampanga Giant Lantern sign out.
Hanggang damit terno, si Balti tsaka si Encho. Diba, kita mo? Jordan yung shorts tsaka yung t-shirt, white and black, diba? Hanggang damit ba, terno sila? Chemistry, ha? Ganyan yung team chemistry, diba?
It's 1 minute and 38 seconds remaining.
A good up fake right there. Oh,
3
Casey
points
Gopez.
from Casey Gopez. Too strong. Rebound for Manuel Pangan. There's a foul against Benedict Calma.
And this is where you miss the services of Sean Lorico. Delfino and Manalang having trouble against this backcourt pressure ni Valyao and Bugarin and the rest of GUA GUA. Tulong-tulong tayo. That's where you miss the services nga ni Sean Lorico. A guard who knows how to bring the ball down through defenses like that, yung mga pressure defense. Sayang lang Sean Lorico got ejected and also suspended for this ball game. I mean, we have to put the hammer down kasi Kim Gomez din naman, di ba? Of United Tomasian Ballers got ejected and then hindi siya naglaro ng do or
Of the
die.
very
diba?
important
Oo.
games for their teams.
So ngayon, ganyan din para kay Sean Lorico. So ganun tayo kahigpit. We follow the rules. Hindi pwedeng, ano di ba? We have a rule book to follow here. Good defense by Kenji.
59 seconds remaining. Franz de la Cruz.
Finally, his first field goal and first 2 points niya yan.
That's what I about to mention earlier. Ito yung una niyang point. And look at that move coming from Franz de la Cruz.
Travel, clear travel right there by Valyao.
No, it's surprisingly malamig ang simula ni Franz de la Cruz because he usually starts with already 15 points and he finishes the ball game 24 points usually.
Ano na yan kasi markado na siya ng GUA GUA eh. That's the scouting report. And this is the playoffs. And again, if you're unfamiliar with the playoffs, ganito talaga normally yan. Kasi nga, pagdating sa playoffs, yung scouting report books ng mga coaches mas kumakapal. Mas marami na silang evidence to see and how to defend you. And look at that. Dinaan ni Franz sa sipag yun. Tatlo ang dinaanan niyang green shirt just to get that layup.
Speaking of nanlalamig, there you have it. Nag-iinit na.
Good steal.
Franz de la Cruz. Mark Manalang. There was Drew Jimenez on that steal. Tristan Valle with 12 seconds remaining. Pass to Drew Jimenez.
That's actually Gabriel
Gabriel
Manyala.
Manyala, rather. That's my bad, sorry. Here, Casey Gopez. Too strong. He wasn't able to put that basket. 29-37.
Great second quarter para dito sa panig ng GUA GUA. Tulong-tulong tayo. And the name really fits them well. Tulong-tulong sila dito in that first half. Especially in the defensive end. As we can see this second quarter highlights. That was a beautiful spin move kanina ni Manalansan. But dito, he patented one-handed floater ni JR Bugarin in the middle. But the pull-up jumper by the Tasmanian Devil. Pinatahimik pa yung crowd. But this 6-0 run kanina ng GUA GUA tulong-tulong tayo was enough to push their lead back to 8 points dito. 37-29. Who will advance to the Final Four? Will it be Level Up LUBAO? Will it be GUA GUA tulong-tulong tayo? Malalaman po natin yan sa pagbabalik natin for the second half dito sa 2024 Delta Cup.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga. Despite being hit by Mount Pinatubo's eruption more than 30 years ago, the Pampangans were able to rebuild the province. Economy is booming. Former military base, Clark Air Base, has been reborn into a free-port zone. Home to business parks, PPOs, malls, convention centers, and world-class hotels and resorts. Aside from Clark, tourist attractions in other areas of Pampanga are among the most exciting places and events in the Philippines. From trekking, adventure sports, leisure, and a lot more. The Kapampangans are also deeply religious. The depth of faith can be reflected with the grandeur, dignity, and divine beauty of their churches. And during the Holy Week, Pampanga is also said to be strangely famous not only for devotees who flock different churches for what is known as the Visita Iglesia every Maundy Thursday. But also for the penitents who self-flagellate on the streets on Good Friday. Some whip themselves until their backs swell or bleed, or carry wooden crosses. For the more courageous ones, they vow to have themselves nailed on the cross as a way to repent for their sins. These unique rituals, traditions, and devotion have attracted much media and tourist interest since featured in the 1960s.
So come home and explore all these and more here in Pampanga, in the heart of Central Zone.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon. Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Inter-Municipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan! You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon.
Yeah.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
pa rin po yung nakatutok sa ating Delta Cup 2024 quarterfinals round. So, ito ang laban ng Level Up LUBAO kontra GUA GUA Tulong Tulong tayo at the end of the first half. 37-29, 8-point lead para sa parik ng GUA GUA Tulong Tulong tayo. As we can see here, our halftime highlights. A beautiful move from J.R. Bugarin, one of the best point guards for Pampanga Delta. And here, 3-point shot from Mark Manalang. Makes it a first out of the 6 attempts from the 3-point shot. And here, that one-hand shot jumper from J.R. Bugarin. And here, 3-point shot from CJ Delfino. And that stare down. And tahimik daw for the side of GUA GUA. We can take a look back here. This beautiful move from Franz de la Cruz, escaping the 3 defenders from GUA GUA. Makes this ball game 37-29, 8-point lead here. Leading scorers for Level Up LUBAO, John Zita with 8, Mark Manalang with 6, CJ Delfino with 5. At para sa panig ng GUA GUA, Drew Jimenez with 8, J.R. Bugarin with 8, and Tristan Valeao with 7. Penelope Wilhelmina still joined by Enzo Galarosa and MJ Raimundo on the sidelines. Kaya tutok lamang po kayo mga kabalan dahil magbabalik po kami para sa Level Up LUBAO kontra Municipality of GUA GUA 37-29.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan! You make, you break, you take the shot. You ready to rock? 19 under, coming very soon.
Yeah.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock? 19 under. Coming very soon.
Mga kasinag, SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinagasiasports@gmail.com or send us a message through our Facebook page, Sinag Liga Asia, as our opening has already a date. March 17, 1 p.m. at SM South Mall, Las Piñas. SM Events Hall of the SM South Mall, Las Piñas. We can see here Mayor Tonton Torres of GUA GUA Pampanga.
Laging nakasuporta sa GUA GUA Tulong Tulong tayo. And speaking of yung Sinag Liga Asia Tournament sa March 17, di ba? Last tournament natin na pasok itong mga naglalaro ngayon. Of course, siyempre, last tournament talaga natin is the 40 up, di ba? Lakas 40 natin. As we can see, our tournament our COO sa Sinag Liga Asia and our tournament commissioner dito sa Delta Cup, Coach Leo Isaac, the legend himself. Of course, yun nga, last tournament on board 2001 natin as Mayor Esme Pineda of LUBAO, Pampanga, also here in attendance.
Of course, lagi nga nakatutok sila
And
sa
all
ating
smiles
mga
pa
laro
rin.
dito. And here, Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda together with our chairman, Boss Rocky Chan, of course, discussing
Ano kaya pinag-uusapan?
maybe
May something
yung
na
magiging,
pinag-uusapan
of course,
yan.
magiging guest itong Pampanga. Saan magiging ating Junior World Showcase
And
on
they'll be the
July.
hosts, di ba? They are the hosts and they're ready to defend their crown. Sinag Liga Asia. But yun nga, talking about that tournament, di ba, in Born 2001 natin, 14 players ang nag-suit up dito sa Delta Cup na naglaro sa Sinag Liga Asia. Hopefully madagdagan this next tournament natin, di ba? 14 different players nag-suit up. And may iba pa dun hindi ko binilang. Guys like Drew Jimenez and Andre Dungo, di ba? Kasi hindi naman sila naglaro Sinag.
CJ Delfino, the Franz de la Cruz.
Pahirapan si Franz.
CJ, libreng-libre. That is short.
Ayaw pa rin talaga for the Tasmanian Devil, but that's not really his game. He's not known for his catch and shoot. He can hit them, but it's not really his game. And great defense by GUA GUA. Played the percentage. Hindi yun laro ni Delfino. He's more of a slasher. Bantayan natin at patirahin natin ang patirahin si Delfino from the perimeter.
37-29. 8-point lead for GUA GUA.
Favorite ni Bugarin yan. Niluwa lang.
Danan on the rebound. De La Cruz with only 4 points.
Oh, good behind the back. Good veer step. Grabe!
Oh!
What a
You know,
move!
See that? 3 defenders from GUA GUA, but Franz De La Cruz was able to knock that 2 points.
How talented is this Franz De La Cruz kid is. Behind the back, veer step. There was a lot of contact and the referees decide to let it go.
No, I'm not surprised if he will be playing for one of the teams that Pampanga has on our Sinag Liga Asia, born
Tatlo na.
2001.
Tatlo yun, di ba? Hopefully, one of those 3 teams, di ba? Maybe even other teams kasi let's not forget, born 2001 Cup. Kian De La Cruz of Bayong Masantol did play not for a Pampanga team, for a neighboring province. Batang Lakan ng Bulacan naglaro si Kian De La Cruz of Bayong Masantol, di ba?
Kaya pala nung nakita ko siya dito,
Familiar,
medyo
di ba?
familiar siya.
Ako nga, nagulat ako eh. I was doing my research, preparing for the next tournament. Sabi ko, si Kian De La Cruz to, ha? That's Kian De La Cruz.
When I first saw him here at Delta Cup, sabi ko sa sarili ko, nakita ko siya eh.
May
But
kamukha,
hindi ko
di ba?
alam on what league.
Oo, ako rin eh. I didn't want to say anything na I'm not sure about. Kagabi ko lang na-notice, that's Kian De La Cruz playing. And he's the same player that I saw him play. But good defense there by Danan. Last line of defense there.
You mentioned that you have been preparing us. What a preparation
Ayan na.
there for Franz De La Cruz, knocking
na.
that one-hand shot.
There you
Nag-iinit
go.
na
Oo.
ang level up LUBAO.
4 points in the first half. 4 points in, what, the last 3
4-0
minutes?
run.
Oo. Franz De La Cruz now has 8 points for level up LUBAO. Dangerous pass there by Bugarin.
Traveling.
Clear traveling violation.
For sure. If you're against CJ Delfino, you have to be careful. Isa lang yan eh. Take a look back here.
Great
Drew
move.
Jimenez
Oo.
up front.
And-
Pero walang takot. Itong si Franz De La Cruz.
Speaking of, these 2 municipalities and cities produce the best players na makikita natin sa Sinag Liga Asia very soon. Of course, for level up LUBAO, Delfino's there, Justin Bautista's there, June Arthur Rock is there. Para sa GUA GUA, Lancer the Answer Con, and Jeffrey C. Di ba? Jeffrey Michael C. Makikita natin soon for Sinag Liga Asia next week na yon. But syempre, dahil hindi pwede, ineligible yung 4 na players na binanggit ko, it's Bugarin's turn, it's Delfino's turn to carry the mantle of their own municipalities and
I'm
cities.
pretty sure next
Good
season
steal.
of Delta Cup, these 2 players will also be ineligible for their municipalities.
Imagine mo if
Sayang.
si Jeffrey C naglaro for GUA GUA, di ba? That man, Jeffrey C, napakasipag, napakabait. You know, a real bruiser type player. Yung si Jeffrey Michael C. And I'm excited to see him back, suit up for Pampanga.
Going back, still 4-0 run. 37-33. Sideline inbound for level up LUBAO. Franz De La Cruz against Casey Gopez. There you have it again.
Grabe. The talent of Franz De La Cruz showcased there. Umaiso sila for Franz De La Cruz to get him going. And look at Delfino. Tap De La Cruz's head saying, good job. They need him to get going. He is CJ Delfino's Robin dito. Batman si Delfino. He is CJ Delfino's Robin. Ito si Franz De La Cruz. As we can see, Coach James De La Peña.
It's his 5th point since we enter our
Yes.
second half rather.
9 points na siya to his total. 6 points in this quarter alone. 10 points na for the game. Ito si Franz De La Cruz.
Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan ng
Yes.
GUA GUA.
And it's
And
all
that
Franz
is
De La
all
Cruz.
because of Franz De La Cruz.
Lahat kanya, di ba? All 6 points come by Franz De La Cruz.
This is what I mentioned earlier. Hindi lang kailangan si CJ Delfino ang bantayan ng GUA
Yes.
GUA. There's a lot. Kenji Gonzalez, still a go-to guy for level up LUBAO. Ito na naman, Franz De La Cruz. Let's see what will he do here. Binigay niya kay Delfino ang bola against JR Bugarin.
Delfino naman ang ISO. Look at the defense by Bugarin. What a block by Jimenez.
What a rejection from Drew Jimenez. Casey Gopez. There you have it. Balik sa 4 ang kalamangan ng GUA GUA.
First 2 points of the third period galing din sa
6 to
GUA GUA.
2.
Oo.
France de la Cruz against Apostol. France will drive.
Clobbered.
There was a whistle against France de la Cruz this time against Drew Jimenez himself. 35 to 39. Take a look back here. That pass from JR Bugarin to Casey Gopez against Kenzie Gonzalez. Nahuli si Kenzie doon.
Pampanga comes back in, replacing ito si Alan Danan. Small ball lineup na naman for Coach James De La Peña. But France de la Cruz, halos lahat kanya ng play.
Will be his 7 if it goes in. In and out. Five minutes and 26 seconds remaining for our third quarter.
Oh for 2.
That's too strong for France. May rebound pa itong si France de la Cruz.
4 on 2. Great pass. Nabitin nga lang for Pangan.
Still 5 minutes and 7 seconds remaining. Almost a steal for Eman Pangan. Oh, Benedict Calma on that move. Back to Casey Gopez. Balik kay JR Bugarin. It's too strong.
Okay. Lahat napupunta dito kay France de la Cruz eh.
You know the usual spot of JR Bugarin coming from the left to right.
Bang!
And there you have it.
Wow!
9 points coming off from France de la Cruz.
13 in the game. And there's a whistle away from the basketball. Is it gonna be on Zita? Trying to prevent Drew Jimenez from curling.
39 to 38 as you take a look back here. The barometer of level up LUBAO. France de la Cruz knocks a 3-point shot. Makes it 9 points for when he entered the first half. Siya lang ang naging score for level up LUBAO.
Mainit na mainit. Ito si France de la Cruz in this quarter. Now it's just a 1-point lead. And look at the adjustment. There goes Reynel Cabrera. Pasok niya ulit itong si Nirik. Dahil dun sila na-expose. Naka-drop coverage si Jimenez.
I really wonder what motivation they had on their dugout huddle. That's why I miss being manning the sidelines. I was able to know what was their motivation.
Kung sabihin niya, baka may makarinig sa OB ba, balik ka dun, nandirito ka na.
It's a prank!
Nandito ka na.
Namimiss lang, hindi naman babalikan.
Huwag ka na bumalik. Nandito ka na eh.
There's a miss for GUA GUA. CJ Delfino back again. 4 minutes and 7 seconds remaining. Just a 1-point
That's the
lead
switch
for
he
GUA
wants.
GUA.
That's the switch. Oh, bumalik agad.
Eman Pangan.
They got the switch that they wanted off the pick and roll. The big man defending Delfino. Pag atras ni CJ, agad-agad bumalik si Valiao. Great recognition galing sa defense ng GUA GUA. But on the last second, nabigyan nila ng bailout foul itong si Eman Pangan. And now he's on the free throw line.
And if Pangan makes that 2 shots,
Tie
there
game.
you have it. Not only a tie game, but this is their chance to be up by 1 by this time. We're tied at 39 with 3 minutes and 58 seconds remaining. Let's see if Eman Pangan can knock the second throw.
Look at France again.
And there
And
you
the
have
lead for
it.
LUBAO.
11 points for France de la Cruz.
And buhay na ang crowd dito na level up LUBAO.
3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining.
Good passing by GUA GUA.
Adrian Nirik. Back to Apostol. Benedict Calma. A miss for Calma.
Great defense. Galing dito sa level up LUBAO, specifically Kenji Gonzalez.
You know, hindi masyadong nakaka-score dito si Kenzie Gonzalez.
Wala pa nga ata eh.
Wala pa. But
0
then,
points.
nakakapagbigay naman siya ng magandang depensa para sa level up LUBAO.
At si Nirik pa binantayan niya doon. Mismatch. Pero look at France calling his own number right now.
Nice pass to Eman Pangan. Eman Pangan against Nirik. If you're against 3, no? Ang tangkad pa nung nasa una mo, nasa gilid mo, nasa likod mo. Coach Alan De La Peña of level up LUBAO. 3 minutes and 4 seconds. Baseline inbound. for GUA GUA. Tristan Vallo working with Paulo Apostol, Casey Gopez, Adrian Nirik, and Benedict Calma on the floor for GUA GUA. Floater.
Short pa rin.
That is short. And here on the other end, CJ Delfino working with Eman Pangan, Franz De La Cruz, Kenji Gonzalez, and John Zita. 2 minutes and 35 seconds remaining. Eman Pangan. CJ. There was a steal.
Nag-agawan silang
From
dalawa.
Apostol.
Good steal by Delfino.
CJ asking for a challenge. Nagsumisenya siya dito kay Coach Alan de la Peña.
Baba na lang. Tama naman. It did hit Delfino's knee. It was tap. May point shot. Natapik nga yung bola but tumama pa rin sa tuhod niya on the way out.
Jos Paulette checks in for third quarter. He only played, if I'm not mistaken,
A short pa rin for Pole.
only played 12 minutes and 54 seconds in our first half. Near 41 to 39. 2-point lead, the biggest lead that Level Up Lubao has. With 1 minute and 45 seconds remaining. Franz De La Cruz. That is too strong, but Eman Pangan was there. Kenji Gonzalez. Balik ang bola. There was a steal mula kay Pole.
Good tap by Delfino. Ito siya. A launch pad. Good pass to Franz. And basket and one for Franz De La Cruz.
There you have it. 13 straight points for Franz De La Cruz. Take a look back here. CJ Delfino back to Franz De La Cruz.
13 out of the 14
And look at the
points.
reaction of Franz De La Cruz and CJ Delfino.
13 out of the 14 points ng Level Up Lubao in this quarter come by this man, Franz De La Cruz. What a quarter this kid is having.
Tristan Vallo. Back to Casey Gopez. Too strong. Rebound by Zita.
May takip ba yung ring na yan? Hindi makasut tong GUA GUA na maayos ah. They've only scored 2 points in this quarter.
De La Cruz.
Good strip by Pole. Good defense naman, but may foul.
Against CJ Delfino.
It's actually John Zita.
John Zita, rather. Si CJ kasi yung nag-react, akala ko tuloy siya. 47.8 seconds remaining.
13 foul on Level Up Lubao.
As Danan checks in for Zita once again. 43 to 39. 14 points. 14 straight points, rather. To Level Up Lubao. The 13 points was scared. Of course, the barometer, Franz De La Cruz.
Look at the crowd trying to bother itong si Malyari.
And if I am not mistaken, all the white people who wears, of
good
course,
up and under.
on the side for Level Up Lubao, has been the barangay captain.
Look at Franz. Yun nga lang, a little bit too selfish that time.
Nag-rattle siya on that one. Jimenez, too strong. In and out. Ayaw talaga for GUA GUA.
Pahirapan ng Danan. Again, the tallest man on the floor, Alan Danan. Just grabbing that rebound just to secure it for his team. In shambles.
24.9 seconds remaining.
This is going to be the lowest point output in the entire tournament for a quarter. 2 points. 2 points lang na i-produce dito. Netong GUA GUA tulong-tulong tayo.
15 straight points para sa panig ng Level Up Lubao. 13 points came from Franz De La Cruz. The other one came from Alan Danan on that free throw shot. And the other one came from John Zita.
Lane violation whistle dito kay Manalansan.
24.9 seconds remaining.
Bugarin comes back in. He needs to take over right now for GUA GUA. 2 points lang ang na-score ng team niya in this quarter.
19 seconds.
The shot clock is off.
Josh Pole against Franz de la Cruz.
Oh, that's too early. Pero no problem, sabi dito ni Pole.
First field goal of the ball game.
Good rebound by Danan on the follow. What a third period galing dito sa level of LUBAO.
What a third quarter. We entered the second half na nag-iinit ang level of LUBAO. Score scare of 46-42. Now a 4-point lead para sa panig ng level of LUBAO. So take a look back here. Franz de la Cruz.
And all LUBAO.
Now 17
Double
points,
na
11
agad.
rebounds. Only 4 points at the end of the first half.
An all LUBAO highlight, pero pwede mo sabihin an all Franz de la Cruz highlight reel. 17 and 11 through 3 quarters at may one last quarter pa tayo dito. And lamang sila ng 4 na puntos dito, 46-42 entering the fourth and final quarter. Dito nga sa ating 2024 Delta Cup, who will win? Will it be level up LUBAO? Will it be the Municipality of GUA GUA? Malalaman natin yan sa pagbabalik natin dito sa 2024 Delta Cup.
You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to run. 19 under, coming very soon.
PBA Legends and Sinag Lakas 40 Basketball Exhibition Game on March 10, 2024 at Paint Branch High School, Burtonsville, Maryland. At dahil nga kanina we already mentioned that our President and CEO, Boss Ray Alaw, together with our Commissioner for Sinag Liga Asa, Commissioner Rodney Santos, already there together with EJ File, Alvin Patrimonio, and of course, John Ferrios, clearly the PBA legends.
And I also got information that they're in the US for Sinag Liga Asia and the PBA Legends Tour to promote Sinag Lakas 40. Kasi nga, malapit na i-launch ang Sinag Liga Asia Lakas 40 USA.
Very exciting for Sinag Liga Asia. All the plans has been coming into vision right now.
Good defense by Valiao.
As good vision for Tristan Valiao against CJ Delfino.
Delfino telling the referees na he got hit twice. Delfino's very frustrated with the defense shown by GUA GUA. But give credit, yun yung gustong gawin ng GUA GUA sa kanya. If frustrate si Delfino, take him out of the ball game. 5 points pa lang si CJ. Entering this fourth quarter.
Here, bago na ang binabantayan nila. Nawala na yung depensa nila kay CJ. It's now on Franz de la Cruz.
Finally, Drew clears it for GUA GUA.
46-44. 2-point lead for LUBAO. Paule.
Oh, what a pass! What a pass by Jimenez!
And what a move from Tristan Valiao. We're tied at 46, 8 minutes and 55 seconds. Pangan! Pangan drives and he misses. But there was a whistle against Drew Jimenez.
That's the right thing to do if you're Eman Pangan. Bago pa makaset up yung depensa, nag-iisa lang si Drew Jimenez, atakihin mo agad. But take a look at this beautiful bullet pass underneath galing dito kay Drew Jimenez. The pass was so perfect, hindi na kailangan ibaba ni Tristan Valiao.
No one was able to saw him underneath. Another 1-point lead advantage for level up LUBAO. Can it be 2? Emang Pangan knocks the second shot from the free throw line. And there you have it, 48-46. Another 2-point lead for level up LUBAO. 8 minutes and 47 seconds remaining. JR Bugarin back at the fourth quarter. Gopes to Bugarin. Bugarin drives.
Basang-basa nila yung gustong gawin ni Bugarin doon. He wanted to go to that patented floater na ginagawa niya.
Franz de la Cruz, one-hand shot.
Ayaw pa rin for Kenji.
Tristan Valiao. Gopes!
What
against
defense by
Delfino.
Delfino! And look at him with his tongue out.
Lumalabas na ang Tasmanian Devil.
The mythical 5-member of the Born 2001 ng Sinag Liga Asa, showcasing his two-way ability.
Paule.
Block again by Gonzalez.
They have it, Janzira on the rebound. Balik ang bola kay Delfino.
Oh, good dribble move right there by Delfino. Stop and go. Fade away. Whoa! Too small! Sabi ni Tasmanian Devil.
That is how CJ Delfino plays.
Isa lang masasabi ko, Pen. Welcome to my TikTok, sabi ni CJ Delfino kay Drew Jimenez.
May bagong highlight na naman.
Oo, may bago na naman po-posted sa TikTok niya, panigurado. Good
Franz de la
steal.
Cruz on the rebound. 50-46 with 7 minutes and 18 seconds remaining. CJ Delfino once again to Eman Pangan. Eman Pangan on the jumper. He knocks the jumper.
Everything is going in for LUBAO. And look at the entire bench na level of LUBAO. High five the 5 on the floor.
6-point lead for Level Up LUBAO. Let's take a look back here. That pass of Delfino to Eman Pangan against Drew Jimenez. 6-point lead, 7 minutes and 6 seconds remaining. Timeout on the floor, 52-46.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
SLA goes to Visayas for Born 2004 and Born 2007. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinagasiasports@gmail.com or send us a letter of intent at Sinag-Asia. Send us a message to our Facebook page, Sinag Liga Asia. Of course, malapit na April 2024 ang tip-off ng ating Sinag Liga Asia Visayas League. As we can see here, beautiful faces inside the BREN GUA Convention Center. And if I am not mistaken, that is one of the 47 barangay captains for the municipality of LUBAO.
Napakadami. 47, lahat ng barangay doon nandirito.
Sabi kasi ni
Barangay
Mayor
captain.
Esme, nakakalat lang daw, mga nakaputi. Ang daming nakaputi.
Mayor, ang dami ah. Lahat sila nakaputi. Good drive by Drew.
Balik ang bola kay Valiao.
Way off the mark. You can see it. You can see that once the ball was let go on Valiao's hands. Tabingi yung trajectory ng bola.
6 minutes and 43 seconds remaining. Franz de la Cruz once again. Against Casey Gopes.
Masikip.
Muntik pang magawan. But no problem. Sabi ni Franz de la Cruz.
Agawa pa ng paraan dun. Parang niregaluhan na open shot na wala sa kanya. Biglang tumigil yung depensa magbantay.
That's too strong for Casey Gopes. Bugarin.
There you go, Enrico. Attack the basket. You can finish with either hand. Take over now, Bugs.
But for the side of Level Up LUBAO, hindi pa rin sila dapat magpakampante. Kenji Gonzalez. Back to CJ Delfino.
And clear foul right there on Valiao. Nakahawak siya kay Delfino.
It's Tristan's 4th personal foul, and we still have 5 minutes and 48 seconds. We turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, para sa kanyang 4th quarter update. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Pen. Big threat nga itong si CJ Delfino para sa team GUA GUA. CJ Delfino proves to us the character of a Tasmanian Devil. His skills and experience inside the court brought them into the lead now. Kanina sabi niya nga lang na gusto lang daw nila magdepensa ng maayos, but now we can see their offensive power. Will they still continue the leading for this quarter? Balik muna sa inyo, Pen and Enzo.
Thank you so much, MJ. And yan talaga ang tunay na Tasmanian Devil. When it matters the most, he shows up regardless kung scoring ba yan, depensa, or even his leadership. But ito, wow! Wow! Pinoy step galing dito kay Bugarin.
Naririnig ka ata eh. Sabi mo kasi kanina, go ahead, drive the basket. And there you have it.
Ay, ganyan talaga si Bugs. Taking on the challenge right now. Illegal pick on Delfino. Look at CJ, frustrated on himself. Second personal foul whistled on the Tasmanian Devil. The former San Beda Red Cub, and now Letra Knight Delfino.
5 minutes remaining for our fourth and final quarter.
Open to Gopes.
And there you have it. Just a 1-point lead now for Level Up Lubao. Kenji Gonzalez is asking for help. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 4 minutes and 35 on the game clock. Against Tristan Valia.
Grabe!
And there you have
Grabe!
it.
Enka! Sabi ni Kenji.
Not to mention that it's just his 4 points for this ball game. And there you have it. He's having the full confidence.
Tinan mo, dumipensa pa siya doon. Siya pa yung last line of defense. As Bugarin, ayaw pa rin.
Balik ang bola kay Tristan Valia.
Bawian lang. No one wants to give in this ball game.
Franz de la Cruz against Paulette. Bugarin. Delfino will drive. Delfino misses.
He was asking for a foul, no whistle.
Tristan Valia to Casey Gopes. Balik kay Valia ang bola. Libre na naman.
Off
Too
the
strong.
mark. But look at Bugarin with an offensive rebound.
Di ko na alam kung saan ang galing si Bugs doon.
Good block right there by Zita. Grabe, what a ball game. First game pa lang to.
No one wants to give up for both teams. Who will remain the toughest? 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining.
And Coach James is asking for a timeout.
56-55, 1-point lead for Level Up Lubao. Timeout on the floor. 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter.
You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon.
Going back at the 3 minutes and 30 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter of this ball game, as we can see here, the bench of GUA GUA Tulong Tulong tayo, securing their final place at the remaining 3 minutes and 30 seconds. So it's a 1-point lead for Level Up Lubao. So take a look back here. JR Bugarin, 20 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists, and 5 steal for last game on the quarterfinals one against Santa Ana Unite. Take a look back here. Now, scoring 12 points, 4 rebounds, and 6 assists.
Walang kapaguran, di ba? Ganun pa rin eh. Numbers are almost identical. Yung puntos lang talaga yung naiba.
May tama pa sa tuhod yan. Sideline, baseline inbound rather for Level Up Lubao. Eman Pangan has now let's send it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, para sa kanyang fourth and final quarter report. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Pen. Kanina nga sabi ni Sabi ni Jer Bugarin na isang big threat daw si CJ Delfino sa kanila. Pero ngayon siya ang naging star ng GUA GUA Pampanga. And sabi niya kanina, ipakuha daw nila ang panalo, malaking advantage daw ito para sa pride ng municipality nila. Dagdag pa niya, kaya daw, they need to focus more and push their more para sa defense nila at execute lang lahat ng play nila sa trainings. Back to you, Pen and Enzo.
Thank you so much, MJ. Of course, these two teams, they're fighting for their pride.
Grabe, bawian lang talaga itong dalawang magkakampi na to. Bugarin and Delfino, and that's what to MJ's report. Bugarin knows who to stop, who to defend, and this is the guy that they don't want the basketball in the final seconds of the game. Ito yung switch na gusto ni CJ. Bang!
And from this point of view, I felt how CJ fighted for that shot.
Grabe, shades of his best friend. Big moment Bautista with a three-pointer. Parang yung best friend lang niya.
As we take a look back here, CJ Delfino, no hesitation and whatsoever. And look at that reaction from coming up from the Tasmanian Devil, CJ Delfino of Level Up LUBAO after knocking the three-point shot.
Grabe. When it's winning time, it's the Tasmanian Devil time. The spin move in the layup kanina, ngayon naman the three. Pero babawi si Tristan, short pa rin.
Diretso sa kamay ni Eman Pangan.
Nga lang, naibato niya ng malakas kay Delfino yun. They're asking for a replay. Are they gonna give it to him, Coach James? Hindi bibigyan ni Coach James yung challenge.
Final 2 minutes.
Last 2
For-
minutes. Last
for
2
this
minutes na kaya ito
battle.
ng GUA GUA. Or will it be LUBAO's last 2 minutes? As ayaw pa rin for BREN. Look at Danan using his long arms.
Ginagamit niya na yung advantage niya dito.
And there you go, give it back to the best ISO player in LUBAO, Pampanga.
CJ Delfino, ginagamit na ang oras. 3 seconds on the
Ang
shot
layo.
clock. Almost a shot for CJ Delfino.
May oras pa if you're GUA GUA, 4-point lead lang to. Does Bugarin have another game on him? Ayaw pa rin talaga for Valiao.
Ball back.
Good pass.
There you have it. Drew Jimenez is now just a 2-point lead. 1 minute and 6 seconds remaining. If you're Level Up LUBAO, what will you do?
Mahaba pa to. If you're GUA GUA, just need a stop right now.
Balik kay Eman Pangan, balik kay CJ Delfino. Back to Franz de la Cruz once again.
Long two-pointer. Big chance right here for GUA GUA.
Very important possession.
Eto, they swing it around. Oh, wide open si Valiao.
And look at all the people inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. They're all standing.
They're
As
going to review it. They're going to review it. Coach Rainiel Cabrera wants a coach's challenge right now. Actually, hindi siya coach's challenge pala. Sorry, under the last 2 minutes rule, it's not a coach's challenge. It's just going to be a regular replay.
2-point lead for Level Up LUBAO.
Valiao should have taken the shot.
31.8.
I felt like Valiao should have taken the shot. Sa dami ng mintis niya from 3, it got to him. It got to his head. He was wide open underneath. He could have taken that shot to tie the game, pero decided to pass it down low. And look at that, bola down ng LUBAO, sabi ng ating referee. Let's take a look at the replay. Valiao passed up a shot. Natapik tuloy sa ilalim. Apostol ang napituhan doon na last touch. And LUBAO.
This is a very important possession for Level Up LUBAO. 31.8 seconds remaining. A 2-point lead.
If you're GUA GUA, you need a stop desperately right now. Your tournament lives are down to this final 31 seconds.
CJ Delfino working with John Zita, Eman Pangan, Danan, and Franz de la Cruz for the final 12 seconds on the shot clock. 17 on the game clock.
Oh, good defense again.
This is their chance!
To tie! Tie
There you
game
have it.
at 61.
They're tied at 61.
Great defense galing kay Tristan Valiao.
Will it be level up Lubao? Or GUA GUA tulong tayo?
Grabe.
This is just our first game, Enzo.
Yes, and look at Mayor Tonton Torres right there. Near the bench. Nagtatatalon si Mayor Tonton.
Celebrating, let's take a look back here. Drew Jimenez.
Inunahan si Danan sa spasyo. Di na nakahabol si Allen.
Timely basket. Timely comeback for Drew Jimenez. 8.5 seconds remaining. Pagbalik galing timeout. Level up Lubao. We have a sideline inbound.
Who will take the final shot for level up Lubao?
Will it be CJ
If
Delfino?
ako sila, ubusin ko tong oras na to. Make the final shot the last shot of the game. Pag pumasok, you win it. If it doesn't, go to overtime. And look at that, Mayor Tonton Torres. All smiles dito.
And look at where Mayor's sitting. He's sitting isa sa
And Mayor
mga
Esme in prayer right now.
both municipality mayors. They have been praying and hoping for the best sa parehong koponan.
Take a look at this good defense again by Valiao. Nabasa niya na i-reject ni Delfino yung screen. And then Drew Jimenez picks up the basketball for the easy layup right there to tie the game at 61. And eto na, 8.5 seconds. Can Lubao win it and advance to the quarterfinal, to the semi-final round, should I say. It's Zita, Manalang, De La Cruz, Pangan, and CJ Delfino on the floor for Lubao. Delfino will hold. Delfino attacks. Delfino puts it over it.
Puts it in basket. Look at the celebration for Mayor Esme Pineda. The Tasmanian Devil takes charge for level up Lubao, but there's still 4.2 seconds remaining for the side of GUA GUA tulong tayo. But that shot from CJ Delfino was big enough for level up Lubao.
CJ took it personal, took it upon himself. Take out your do-it-yourself kit and scored what can be the basket that books their ticket to the semifinals round. Pero, may 4.2 seconds pa rito.
That is still long.
Yes, and
I
Bugarin,
witnessed a lot
Enrico
of
Bugarin
ball game.
has hit a jumper in the face of many people. And look at that, Mayor Esme. Of course, may halong kabapayan. Marami pa tong oras. You can still get a good look, a quality look with this 4.2 seconds.
2-point lead. What will GUA GUA do when we came back from the timeout? Mahaba pa ang 4.2 seconds. I witnessed a lot of ball games. And especially CJ Delfino, JR Bugarin, yan ang master ng dalawang yan. Yung mga di kitang laban. But in the span of 4 point after a couple of minutes,
Take a look
still
at
back
this.
here.
No screen needed. Delfino on the attack pagkasalo. And all the way to the basket against all 5 players ng GUA GUA sa depensa.
All emotions out for CJ Delfino after that shot.
Pero eto na, 4.2 seconds. Oh, tatawag ulit ng timeout ulit. Itong GUA GUA tulong tayo. They will burn another timeout to secure.
You can see here, Mayor Esme Pineda
And I like the strategy right there by Coach Renil Cabrera. Pagpasok nila sa floor, tiningnan nila sino ba yung personnel sa kabila. And then they called another timeout to make sure they get the matchup correctly. They get the switch that they want. They get that mismatch on the defensive end. That is smart by Coach Renil Cabrera.
But we will know who will be or who will remain the toughest team. Will it be Level Up LUBAO or will it be GUA GUA TULONG TULONG tayo?
Look at the crowd of LUBAO chanting defense. Dito naman sa panig ng GUA GUA, they're all in prayer right now.
Nakiki-defense na si Mayor SB
syempre.
Pineda.
Take a look at right there, Mayor Tonton Torres. May halong kaba na rin yung ngiti niya eh. Nakangiti lang yan, pero for sure kinakabahan din yan. Kasi ito, the 5 on the floor, Paule, Valiao, Gopez, Jimenez, and this kid, Enrico Bugarin Jr. Can GUA GUA hit a miracle shot right now? Valiao to inbound. Can they game it right now? And a delay of game warning. A delay of game warning. That is genius by Franz de la Cruz. Nabasa na nila nung play na gagawin nitong GUA GUA. That is it! That is it!
For Franz de la Cruz!
That was genius! That was genius by Franz de la Cruz. Getting that delay of game warning. Nabasa nila yung play. That is a high IQ basketball play for LUBAO.
And look at that, Mayor SB Pineda celebrates together and he's thanking everyone coming from LUBAO, Pampanga all the way to the BREN Convention Center to support Level Up LUBAO on their knockout game against GUA GUA Tulong Tulong tayo.
Grabe, what a stop. And again, that delay of game warning ni De La Cruz was genius. Nabasa nila yung play. Nakita nila kanino pupunta yung bola. And De La Cruz read it perfectly. And look at Mayor SB Pineda right there.
My question has been answered. Who will remain the toughest? And there you have it, Level Up LUBAO with CJ Delfino, Franz de la Cruz, Alan Danan, and the rest of their team was remain the toughest against GUA GUA Tulong Tulong tayo and Level Up LUBAO. Of course, they were able to escape JR Bugarin and the rest of the GUA GUA Tulong Tulong tayo on this ball game. What a first quarter run, what a first half run, and what a second quarter run for both teams. But there you have it. Once again, I answered your question. The toughest team remains Level Up LUBAO, and they will enter our semi-finals with the sweet win. Level Up LUBAO kontra GUA GUA Tulong Tulong tayo. The final score, 65-61. Of course, our best player of the game with 21 points, 12 rebounds, and 2 assists. The barometer of Level Up LUBAO, Franz de la Cruz. Franz, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you po.
Franz, for 13 points entering our third quarter. How do you come up big? How do you manage to come up big para sa Level Up LUBAO for this ball game?
Kailangan ko po kasi mag-step up para makita po ng mga kasangga ko para mag-step up din po sila. Kailangan ko po mag-leadership sa loob para sumunod.
What a double-double performance, Franz. What more should we expect for Franz de la Cruz coming to our semifinals?
Last ko po sisipagan sa darating na Final Four.
Now, Franz, this is your time to give your shout-outs and to all, sa lahat ng gusto mong batiin for Level Up LUBAO.
Nagpapasalamat po ako kay Lord sa panalo namin. Lalo po kay sa LUBAO, kay Vice Mayor, Vice Demon Mayor, kay Esme, at sa mga kapo namin dyan, sa mama ko, sa daddy ko, kay Coach James, kay Coach Bert, kay Coach Boss Marty.
Thank you so much, Franz, and once again, congratulations. Once again, that's your best player of the game with 21 points, 12 rebounds, and 2 assists. Franz de la Cruz from Level Up LUBAO. Our final score, 65-61. Level Up LUBAO dominantly win against GUA GUA Tulong Tulong tayo. Of course, coming up next is Angeles City Red Warriors kontra Minalin All-Stars para sa ating second game ng ating quarterfinals round 2 knockout crossover. For MJ Raimundo and Enzo Galarosa, and on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Mike Dana, Direk Ramoncito Roa, and the rest of the hardworking men and women na nagtrabaho dito sa ating Delta Cup 2024. This has been Penelope Wilhelmina, and I'm saying that life is a better place to be when basketball came along.